Hey, COD Reach FM here. Today I'm going to show my commando ripping this can in pieces. Well, let's see this. I haven't done this yet. Hopefully it works. And that's it right now. It's almost passed through. I'm really low on ammo, by the way, so I don't know if I'll be able to complete it. I'll do my best for you guys to see. Well, here's your final view of this poor can here. Here you go. It's a very sad can. It's barely hanging on by anything. Well, that just shows you how powerful this thing can be. It can rip through this pretty easily. Well, this is COD Reach FM again. Please subscribe, rate, comment, and like. Thank you.